welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing good. So parcel aylay maka magashun parcels ata titli ma itli maka happiness ata like ma gift koso aw maka gift koshkutta, so I get so excited.
बात तो सही है.
So they are from Shein. I personally love Shein. Showing you guys what I got. So just a bit backstory to this. There is something big coming up. So we are going for vacation soon. So tekalagone, you know, afforded, and it's just like, you know, small stuff, nothing big. Kita ami holiday hoita and rope karta hai holidays also ani magi to galon ko pao nai because of the weather and everything. So let's open the first one. What's this? So this was like ordered long time back. Okay, so this is like a nice shirt I got for myself. Bare pato shirt koshne like boy material. Meste like oilan lagalpa dress acha ukite. So shirt, white shirt. I do have a white shirt, but teno ashkorun pato nahale kita maka beste oilan lagalpa jay like cover up kosh. These flowers. So these kind of like daisies I've got. In my future vlog. And so this is a dress for Harper. So that's the dress. That it's really cute, like with the floral, you know, with flowers and everything. Fulanso. So yeah, and I don't kind of like buy designer clothes for Harper because first they big in always and it's like waist, and then they galu mekai me unaite. She doesn't need like designer clothes. She's just a child, and yeah, I mean it's each one to their own. Okay, just this is my perspective. Oik dress I'll take. Mind you, these are all for the holidays, huh? So yeah, there you go. Hopefully gaila puro te sar ki tras kutta dress bagalpak. Ek bare hat tail. Look at the hat, it's so cute. Got this dress. So this is for my sister. So basically, Shma's birthday is coming up. So that kind of dress lolo. It's gonna fit her. Look what's this so, but let's see. What else? Oh, this is a scarf. I wanted to buy like black and you know, like black and brown and gold, so just the black, brown and gold. But I was like, let me try this color. It's really nice, like, you know. But it's really nice. I think I like this one. Yeah, it suits me as well. I have got this type of bag. Only hama pade pun teno mashe dakti ha, so evade mashe orle alla kitya baby ch bazait samon asta galpa. I've got little ones, then you know it's very difficult, like dakte kurun zaiti zatte galpa. So yeah, so I've got like bigger one. So nice cute sandals. Boy, sandals are like that. White color. White meaning cream color. Like cream. I got this dress for Harper, and this is the cutest dress. Tulle dress though, and it's gonna butterfly. So it's so cute. Like look at that. So cute. She's gonna be like, but all you know the Tula chiba dress galna. So let's see, like I'm a bit 50-50 but I bought this low dress, so I kela. Oh, this is my dress. So there you go. Just a normal dress. because हेजेर फोनाचेर ऑनलाइन बरो दिसतालो आनीक पळोवपा पळयलो बरो दिसता तो लायक फ्लोरल आनी मी हें आनी तेका न्हू हॅट इल्लेलें आहा हॅट आहा तेका तें आनी ओपन करुना really nice white and तेजेर ट्रीम कशें आहा तेका हॅटार I get so happy like you know opening parcels I'm बेजूच पासून parcel open करता इतली म्हाका happiness जाता like I like parcels to open actually I parcels हितून काम करूं जाय दिसता म्हाका opening the parcels huh not like handling them oh okay so this is nice long maxi dress I won't show you like properly because you will see when I wear it for my holidays where we are going now atum chintuli am hoita holidays I'll show you guys you'll see in time where we are going oh and these are the sandals for Harper these are so cute look at that they are nice and bright no burgiano bright colors but this type bright ahल्या so aesthetic and all is good it's like today's trend to wear them or you know to dress them aesthetically but colorful it's their childhood so colorful is good they look so cute in colorful clothes so these are my sandals I have got brown sandals but they are in Goa so I need one pair here so that's why I got these like I do tie kurpacho so dress are babrio dista ite gailar and I think you should have a pair of brown sandals in your wardrobe because you know you can pair them on your black or white dresses or skirts dress like oh this is a shirt so I got this shirt for me cherians was this but trust me it's for myself I'll be like drowning or itun buttol this waka but let's see you know it's all about styling guys let's see how I style it oversized actually I wanted to order it small I small kela but kitla orle ilta poi लॉडले oversized rope असतो so तो सदा एक size तुई धाकटी order करू जाई so if you're medium and if it is a oversized top and तू medium घालता जाल्यार small order करू जाई so like that yeah because ते मागीर already ते baggy असतो न्हू ते मागीर आनी baggy दिसता आनी you just look a bit funny what's this oh yeah so this is a towel kind of a thing with a hoodie for Harper so with strawberries like she loves strawberries very fluffy so yeah so this is her swimming suit swimwear there you go one piece swimwear and it has got a skirt like a cover up skirt ahateka so dress cost this to oh this is mine oh actually no but different mister so this is a dress so this is a dress it's a full white maxi dress look at that so white dresses no shinacher you get like a bit of variety but they are all with this I don't know what you call this like this ashkonaste so yeah so this is the white dress and this is the white dress for Harper so that's a cute look and the kind cord set so this is like green and there you go that's the pant for that so this is a quad set for me so I got this pant and a crop top there so there you go yeah and this is like just a trouser kind of like you know pleated ko chahate. So yeah, that's it for today, guys. This was my mini Shein haul, the parcel. So it's still, you know, on the way. Kirati can I know half divide kodun that rope. I hope you like this vlog. I had done a Shein haul before. That was like last year when I first started the channel. I think I had done in my first video a Kelola Shein haul, the very first video, the very first vlog. And now I'm here doing another one. So yes, stay tuned, guys, to see where we are going. I'll see you guys in my next vlog. Until then, share kindness and let love guide you. Bye bye.